Hello and welcome to DevGuid with me, Fredrik Larsson. Today I'm running a short video called Replacing NSSM with WinSW. And it's replacing the non-sucky service manager with the Windows service. I don't know what it's called for. Service wrapper. This is if you have ever had a need for wrapping a console into a service, the NSSM has been a good tool. Unfortunately, it became stale a few years ago, and there are a few others wrappers that wraps the services. As lately, I found the WinSW to be quite a nice replacement for it. So where can I find it? If you Google WinSW, you find the GitHub, what's it called, repo. So which is nice. It's built in .NET. There are a lot of things available. You can download it from the releases. They have a new 3.0 on the road, but I'm going to use the 2. version, and I'm downloading the 64-bit version of it. And I also downloaded the minimal configuration and then all options as well. Keep. So I'll check those, cut them out, and I created a folder called prog test. And now you see that those files are already here. However, this is the actual executable file, WinSW S64. Let me see here, and view. Let me see here. Show file name extensions. I like to have that. And this is actually a file you can rename. So I renamed it to project.exe. And this is my project2.exe. It's just a simple, stupid Delphi project that doing nothing actually, but it could be any console or equal that performs a task. Yeah, whatever you need is this wraps it in. You can also wrap in a bat file or something like that, or a PowerShell script, I think. So there is the minimal sample, where you actually have the ID, which is the Windows Service ID. You have a display name, and then you have a description. There's also the path to executable. And if you go to the full options, you have a lot more things to choose from. You have the top one, but then you can define your service account, the restart, first an action, second action, and there's also what's it called here? I think you have the arguments, and you can also have a working directory. So let's say that you have either you can what's it called? If you share the file, or if you have an exclusive. In this case, I'm just using the it exclusively. Okay, so that's it. You can go through that. And there's all how the log will work. And you see that when you run here, it creates a project wrapper log, and it also creates error files and so on. I've created a project.xml file. So this, if we don't define this, it will actually use the same name as the executable. So the project.exe will use the prod.xml. And so we look into this project.xml, and let me see if it's correct now. So I call the ID devgrid2, and then the devgrid test service, blah blah blah. And it's based on the minimal configuration. And we also have the base path, the project2.exe. And so that's all. It's not much. I will run the console, and I've already entered the folder. You can see here, this is the actual folder. You will create the exe, and I will just purely put install, and now we'll install. You see here, and if we run services console, services, it should pop up here, and there you should have a devgrid test service. You have the link to that one. Log on the system account, take no action, dependencies, no dependencies. See, we can start it. So now this WinForm I have created form will actually be running in the background. Unfortunately, I don't have anything actually indicating that it is running, but since it haven't crashed, we must assume that it is working. And then I will stop it, and it will just terminate the Windows. I will remove this one, close it, and if you go back, you can run uninstall. There is also a few commands that you can run. You can run install, uninstall, of course. There's a start command, stop command, a restart, and so on. You can also ask the status of the service. You can actually do that. And now I will probably see that it's uninstalled, non-existent. But if we install it, done, started, then it should be stopped. Yeah. What's more? Yeah, I think that's the main thing. So it's quite easy to get going with this one. Uninstall. I think this is a very, very nice tool for ops and developers, because you can I have a few projects that doesn't behave well if I try to create them as a service for, because the service wrapper wasn't good enough. It's an old project, but wrapping in it in a new WinSW wrapper makes it works perfectly. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for listening, and write comments if you like. This will be an uncut version, but if you have any thoughts, just write me, and I will maybe elaborate on it. Have a nice day, weekend, night, evening, whenever you're listening to it. Thanks for me.